Lovies, how y'all doing? I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. So today we are in my kitchen. Woo! I'm so excited, guys. So on today's video, I will be showing you guys how to mix a basic dumpling dough we're cooking today. So please stay tuned and watch until the end of the video. These are the ingredients you will be needing. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be washing my hands. I have gloves on, and I'll be using my measuring cup, which is 250 ml. You can use your own cup, but I'll be using this one today, and I'm going to be using 4 cups of flour. And guys, if you're using your own measurements, if you're using your own measuring stuff, it only depends on how many people you're cooking for. So you can add more flour if you're cooking for more people. This is the measurement of only 2 people. I'm cooking for 2 people only, and I'm going to be using my Gold Star instant yeast, and just pour it in, all of it, just inside. And I'm going to be using a salt. I will be measuring with a measuring spoon of 7.5, and which is 1.5 teaspoon. Just not too much, guys. We don't want our dumpling to be salty, right? And 1.5 spoon should be enough. So I'm also going to be using sugar. The sugar is 1 tablespoon. So the size of it is a 1 tablespoon, which is 15 ml, just 4 of those. And just mix it together. Mix it, guys. Mix it all together. And you just want to open some space in the center and just use your warm water, lukewarm water, and just mix it all together until you are happy, right? So my method is I mix it until it's like soft, because I love my dumpling soft, guys. My dumpling is always soft. I think that's another reason why people love my dumpling so much, because it's always so soft and it's not as dry, and it's not, so soft dumpling is a way to go right now and forever. And then I'm just gonna mix it all together. Mix it all together until you are happy, and until the dough is happy as well, guys. Remember, 2 people here. It's the dough and you. So if the dough is not happy, the dumpling is not gonna be happy. So make sure the dough is happy before you can actually put it away, guys. So if it's too soft, I'm just gonna add a little bit of more flour in it, just to balance it out. Not too much, just a little bit, just to balance the dough. We don't want it too dry, we don't want it too soft as well, because if it's too soft, it's gonna be very, very watery when you cook it, and it's not gonna, sometimes it doesn't get cooked well. So yeah, and then you're just gonna put more of it, just a little bit, and mix it all together, guys. Mix, because you also want the ingredients that you added to just mix all together as well. So right now it should be done. It really should be done. I'm just gonna leave it out. It's actually cloudy outside, so normally when it's sunny, I just put it outside. So right now I'm using the flour to take the dough off my hands. This is another method that you should know. The flour that the dry flour, you can just put it on your hand just to take out the excess dough on your hands. It just works wonders. All right, So I'm going to be putting it next to a hot stove because it's cloudy outside. It doesn't make sense to put it out if it's cloudy out. So if it's sunny, yeah, put it outside for a few minutes. But even if it's in the house, indoors, just put it, if you switched on your stove, just put it next to the stove and it should be amazing. All right, so I've covered it up and I'm just gonna put it next to the stove, guys. Okay, I'm going to give it some few minutes, approximately 10
okay,
to
so the
15
10
minutes.
minutes is done. I use my olive oil and my plastics. I'm sure you like what those plastics are there for. The plastics are there to cook the dumpling. I use the plastics, guys. I know. So I just put some olive oil in the plastic and mix it all together. And I'm just gonna put the dough inside the plastic. This method, actually, I was taught by my mother-in-law. This way, you don't have to worry about the dumpling being wet or not, or being overcooked or burning. So you just close the plastic, guys. You just tie a knot on the plastic and just put it on the in the boiling water. You see, one is already in there. I'm just gonna put it in there, and yeah, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and share this video. Till we meet again. This is your Black Chinese signing out. Pia!